Hello, everybody. It's Keroy King here, author of Divine Soul Whispers and many other books, right? Wisdom nuggets for the soul. This is a beauty. This is a beauty. It activates your soul using simple quotes. And for many of you who are into financial things, well, take care of your money. Would live like a king without going broke. Maybe I should start putting images here, right? All right. So today I wanted to read you from Divine Soul Whispers, page 107. I got a feeling. Ooh. I think sometimes some of my poems are inspired by song and music, you know. So, yeah, I hear a tune, then it triggers some kind of writing. Okay, this one is I got a feeling with a clear mind and a pure heart. I embrace the future with many unknowns, yet instinct dictates all is known. I got a feeling I'm in paradise. I have I have made it to the treasure island where love and life flow like milk and honey, where abundance in mind, heart, body, and soul flow like gold dust. I get a feeling I'm home in myself. I found the narrow path that is lit with diamond lights and golden nuggets. I got that feeling that everything will be alright as universal treasures reveal themselves, as archangels litter my path, as droplets of divine wisdom trickle into my mind, as guides, as life guides my path to heavenly restfulness here on earth. I got a feeling I'm on life's speed train to fulfillment. I get a feeling life is gonna be good, so good. As always, it's Mother Ego. I hope these poems bless you. And for those of you who need mentorship sessions, feel free to send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.